In this video, I'll demonstrate how to convert PDF to RTF using PDF Element on Mac. Let's learn something new together. Start the conversion process by clicking the Open File button on the Welcome screen. Then navigate to the File menu and choose RTF under the Export to tab. Choose a location to save to and click the Save button. If you have multiple PDFs to be converted, just use the Batch Process tool under the Tool tab. In the pop-up window, change the output format similar to the single file conversion steps. Now you can see the output RTF files created from your original PDF documents. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Click the link in the description to try out PDF Element for free today. Plus, check out the rest of my videos for other useful ways to improve your daily routine working with PDFs. Thanks, and see you next time!